Hello, I am Maxwell Makumusha, an upcoming YouTuber based in Zimbabwe. I have discovered a secret on how you can monetize your YouTube channel without reaching the 1,000 subscribers and without reaching those lengthy 4,000 watch hours. So, without further ado, let me show you how I am earning more than $200 per month with a YouTube channel that currently has only 135 subscribers. Come with me. Alright, so here is my YouTube channel. As you can see, that's my channel. Yeah, I've just 136 subscribers here. But as I've told you, I am earning more than $200 per month in commissions. Okay, so here's the tricky. If you have a YouTube channel, what I advise you to do is, whilst you are waiting to reach the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours for you to join the YouTube Partner Program, you can become a Deriv affiliate and start making money promoting Deriv. Deriv is a forex trading broker that helps people to start trading forex and other commodities online. Pretty simple like that. Right, so you can sign up for the Deriv affiliate program using this link, which is below this YouTube video. You just come and click this link. Then you can fill in all the other details here. As an individual or as a company, you fill in all your details down here. Then you click I've read and you accept the terms and conditions. Then you register. Once you register, then you get an affiliate dashboard that you can make use of to get an affiliate link like mine. Alright, so here's how the dashboard will look like. So it will look something like this. Now I'm logging onto my affiliate dashboard. Okay, then you come down here where it says my referral links. From my referral links, then here you can choose this revenue share. You copy your link. Okay, so when you are doing your videos on Deriv, then you can just come on any of your videos, then you can embed your links. Okay, now let's say I want to come here onto my old video. I can now come and edit this video, then add this on my channel. I add a description. Then here is my affiliate link. I'm done. So whatever you're doing, maybe you're into comedy, maybe you're into comedy, maybe you have a vlog, you have whatever niche that you are on YouTube. Just find a way of mentioning people to check your description box so that they can sign up and start trading forex and other commodities on Deriv. And once they do so, Deriv can pay you handsomely. Imagine more than $200 without imagine earning more than $200 without having reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or even the 4,000 watch hours. Thank you so much for the privilege of watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you and goodbye for now.